guys, and welcome back to the farm, y'all. As we speak right now, we have a Polaris RZR right here. I'm just showing the picture of it. And, exclusively, which I actually meant to order, the John Deere skid steer loader, which which we needed. So right now, as we speak, guys, they are on their way. All right, guys. Yes, a little challenge for you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe and like this video in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. Now that that's done, hey, yo, they're here. Oh man. Alright, yo, let's take a little look at these. So right now I have some corn spilled out. Now, we're gonna see if this thing can work like a leveler. Take the bucket. Yes, it passed the test. Also, we did buy some exclusive stuff for this. Boom. Just right now. Alright, just like geez, dude, guys. Let's go. Let's go ahead. We cannot do this. Alright, so, just right now, like geez, you guys. Alright, hey, this right now, dudes, like, this really does work. Totally does work. I love this little skid steer, ERTL, I hope you know that. ERTL is my favorite, guys. Also, Tommy, yes, they are pretty good. But yes, right now. Geez, dude. Unfortunately, guys, yes, we cannot pull anything with this. But hey, right now. Wait. Let's go ahead. Let's pull with this tractor, which is right. We decided to use this tractor in today's video. Because Audrey actually has these same two tractors as me, Audrey is one of my biggest fans. So let's go. Ooh, wow, that's really strong right there. I have to that was a really hard pull right there. Alright, so yes, right now, just like juicy. Alright guys, we are going to go ahead and put the corn back into that silo. Boom. Ya yeet, and ya yeet. Alright, so, right now, yeah guys, let's go ahead and shine some light on this thing right here. Let's measure this to a tractor. About regular size as a Polaris, almost about the size of an actual truck, I would say. This is pretty big, right here, so, right, yeah. It's pretty nice, especially for off-roading. Now, yes, right, like Jesus, it does not carry big logs such as this. But hey, right, yeah, it does not. We don't need that. Go, boom, go. Yeah, go ahead and do that. Boom, simple and as easy as that. Just go ahead. Plop. Right on it. Also, yes, right, so Jesus, you guys, we got this freaking Texaco. Really perfect for some of the those jobs or professions out there. Right now, oh, they gotta leave, guys. Wait, why you guys gotta leave? Oh, alright, please, an emergency, okay. Oh, hey! Yo, wait, yo. You're right. They're selling the tractors and in my truck. Yay! All right, now good guys. Right now, the guy down the street now, he has some stuff over there. Yes, right now I'm gonna go ahead and put the corn in the oven. Well, frick. I'm going to have to take my phone and link and put Gage Farm Boy, my phone's account into my tablet's account. So then finally, well, all right, and then now yes, right, we can go ahead and then make cinematics on this channel. Yeah, all right, guys. Stay tuned for those. I just need to figure out my password, which I'm stupid when it comes to that kind of stuff. So, alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button and somebody subscribe and turn on post notifications to never miss a video and become part of the Biggity Bacon Nation, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye. Bacon.